What's up, crochet creators? This is Crochet with Coach Laudiaann Silvis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have been making some amigurumi pterodactyls, and just going to share with you what they look like. These are going to be selling in my craft shows. So I made two. I made one yesterday, but I made this one today, and they're really nice pterodactyls. I'm going to be making more, so I might sell one on my Etsy shop if you're interested in these little these birds. I can actually customize them, make them for you. If you want me to customize one for you, to make one for you, leave it in the comment below and contact me, and I can make them for you. All right. So Christmas is coming up, so get your orders in. All right, before I become really busy. So I will check back with you all. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please leave your likes, your comments. Subscribe to my channel if you're a crocheter. Collaborate with me. Join me at night. Sometimes I go live, so I would appreciate everyone just coming in and chatting with me, because I do go live once in a while I'm crocheting and doing a project. So I will talk to you all soon and have a great day. Bye bye.